Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to fix VSA light on Acura MDX step by step. Start by safely parking the MDX, engaging the parking brake, and gathering an OBD2 scanner plus basic hand tools. I will walk you through reading codes, inspecting wheel speed sensors and brake components, clearing faults, and verifying repairs. Follow along at a steady pace and pause the video when you need time to work on your vehicle. Start by connecting an OBD2 scanner and accessing both ABS and VSA modules to read stored trouble codes and live data. Record the codes and freeze frame information so you know what triggered the light and under what conditions. Use a trusted repair manual or code list to interpret each code and decide whether the issue is sensor-related, wiring-related, or a module fault before moving on to physical inspections. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with their lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort during shop chores. I wear them when I'm crawling under cars, and they never let me down. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With codes in hand, inspect each wheel sensor, wiring harness, and tone ring for damage or contamination, and clean connectors gently. Raise the vehicle safely to access sensors and use a multimeter to test resistance and signal output against specifications. Replace damaged sensors, repair wiring, or clean faulty tone rings. Then clear codes with your scanner and perform a road test to confirm the VSA light remains off and the system operates normally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.